Hi everyone, I welcome all the divine souls on my YouTube channel, which is Twin Flame Realities. And in this video, I will share a communication with divine, and that happened in 2018. So it was a time wherein only before 2 months of removal of the black magic. So because of this second heart attack, and again I was going through heavy black magic, I was not able to stand on my feet. So I was on 3 months sabbatical leave, and it was a time wherein this twin flame ghosted, did not block me, but reading my text, but it was not replying intentionally. So as I was not able to stand on my feet, I was trying, but it was not helping me. So divine said, you should try harder. You can stand up on your feet. We know that. So I said, no, if this person, this twin flame talks to me, replies to my text, I will surely be able to stand up on my feet. I'm not able to, stand because though I'm trying. So divine said, this person has become everything for you. We are nothing for you. And we love you so much. And you are, saying that, if this person talks to you, then only you will stand up on your feet. We are asking you to stand up. We love you so much, but then you are saying, you cannot stand. This person has become everything for you. So this was a time, I felt pain in the voice of divine. So I have said many times, during this 10 years of journey, divine has been hurted because of me. But then playing this game of that 10 years of journey was really important for me. This will be clear, reasons will be clear in upcoming videos. So what happens, in this journey, I saw that divine always tries to, make you completely independent. There are a lot of things which are under your control. And I have always been under the control of my life, and I have been an independent person. So this was only one area wherein, I became codependent on this, twin flame, because though there was no relationship, but then emotional codependency was there. So the way divine said, that we are nothing for you and this twin flame has become everything for you, I really felt bad. But then these conversations and the experiences I have shared, this is all before awakening, before my spiritual awakening. Another thing, happened after my spiritual awakening, but then there are a few more important things before awakening which I have to share. So this was important to share. So this was about today's video. I will see you in another video. Till then, take good care of yourself. Bye-bye.